Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you're going to remove the background of your photo using Recraft AI, and then later I'll show you on how you can change the background to a different setting or location using this AI tool. So the first thing that you need to do is that you have to navigate to Recraft AI and then you have to log into your account. And by the way, this tool is free and you can even export the image without watermark. So click start new project, and basically I'll try to remove this background. I have this photo from Pixabay and I want to remove everything except this woman. So let's open the project, and after that you can upload the picture that you want to remove the background. So you can drag and drop the picture into this area, or you can also just click the import image button and then select the picture that you want to remove the background. So I have this picture from Pixabay and I'm going to copy the image so we can compare before and after later. And after that, click on the picture and then click remove background. That is the menu that you want to access to remove background using Recraft AI. So this process will take less than 20 seconds most of the time, and there you go. So I have this nice photo where there is only the woman, there is no rock or even this person anymore. And it's really as simple as that. You can right click and then you can export as PNG. I highly recommend to use PNG because JPEG do not allow transparency, so you have to use PNG. And by the way, I'm going to create another picture but with a different background. So again, I'm going to copy this picture and I'm going to create a new version with a different background. So let me just click this picture again and click change background and just wait for Recraft to analyze the photo and determine the area that is supposedly to be the background. It will show some sort of diagonal black and white lines, something like that, indicating the area that will be changed. So after that, after you see this result, you can go to on this area and then write the prompt that you want to have, the background that you want to have. So for this example, I will try to make this woman to be sitting on a, let's say, grassy hill with, let's say, lots of flowers. Yeah, something like that. And you can adjust various settings like the negative prompting, the color, and also the AI model. But I'm going to be using default settings and just click change background and just wait until it finishes. This process will take less than 30 seconds most of the time, and it will generate 2 pictures if you're using the free version of Recraft AI. But if you're using the pro version, you could generate more than that. You can also specify the artistic level and many other elements that are exclusive for pro users. And there you go. So we got these 2 images, which I think look really great. Again, if you're not happy with that, you can always modify the prompt, modify the image, and adjust other settings. But that's basically how you can remove the background of your photo and adding a different background to your photo as well. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.